G'day everyone, Nick here from STEDI's product development team with an installation video for the BYD Shark light mounting kit. It's very similar to our inner grille kits with most of the brackets behind the grille, but we actually mount the lights on the outside of the vehicle. It has a few advantages. The lights aren't obstructed by the grille, and it also means you can easily swap in and out what lights you want to run on the car. Pretty easy installation on this one. Just need some basic hand tools. No cutting or drilling required. Should only take a couple of hours. But once you've got those brackets installed behind your grille, swapping lights takes no time at all. Start by opening the bonnet, and we're going to take off this plastic shroud that goes all the way around. They're just clips underneath, you just got to pull up. So any of these clips that don't come out with that plastic cover, you just have to take these out and put them back into the cover to make it easier to get it back in. You can either squeeze it from underneath and pull it out, or you can use a trim tool to get them out. Then you just got to push them back into those spots, ready to install it again later. So we're going to take these three covers off. Under here is the three M6s with 10mm heads. And there's a couple more M6s with 10mm heads on the outsides. And then there's a couple more screws on each side with 8mm head. So next we're going to take these flares just partially off. Just pull from the bottom first and pull out. Work your way back till about there, and that'll give you enough clearance to get to the screws for the bumper. All right, next we're going to take out all these screws holding the bumper on. And do the same on the other side. So next we're going to take out the bolts that are holding the top of the grille on. Before we take the grille and bumper off, just grab yourself a soft sort of box or cardboard box or something to sit it on when you pull it off. Start on a corner, and we have to pull this guard off starting from here, kind of unzippers from the side. Do the same on the other side. So once you've got those sides unclipped, you can pull your grille off and just lay it down and let it sit on that box. It's still got a loom attached on this side, so just leave it on the box so that doesn't get too tight. So these are your parts that go behind the grille. Two support posts, a couple of clamping plates that bolt in the top there, and the bracket that's also clamps but also sticks through the grille and supports your lights. On the top clamp, you've got two M8 bolts, split washers and flat washers that go through there. And on this part, you've also got two M8 bolts, split washers and flat washers. They're all the same length, 20mm long. Before you put it in the car, just partially assemble this with the bolts through the bottom, the bolts through the clamp, just so that they're sitting flush with the nuts at the back. That'll give you enough room to get it over the bar in front of the car there. So start with your driver's side bracket. It's got a bend line facing down towards the outside of the car, and this bracket is shorter on the outside of the car. So place that over this rail here and over that top rail. As always with stainless fasteners, make sure you lubricate them or put on some anti-seize just so we don't get any galling. Grab your clamp plate. Left and right are both the same. Sit it behind that bar. And put your two bolts in. Now all these will stay loose-ish, so you can still slide it side to side. And you'll be able to tighten these up once the grille's gone back on. We'll grab a tape measure and give you that distance from the outside to the bracket. So that measures 205mm from the outside of that bar to here. Now this is just a rough measurement. You'll be able to adjust this side to side and get it exactly right to suit your grille after you've installed it. Do the same for the other side, in that way. Just finger tight. So they're just finger tight. That's 205mm from the edge. And that measures 395mm between brackets. but these will get adjusted to suit the bumper after it's been put back on. And just before you put your grill back on, make sure you run all your wiring and then feed that out through your grill before you put it back on. Make sure you got these brackets on the right sides. So this is the passenger side one with the shorter side facing out of the car. Driver's side, shorter side facing out of the car. Make sure you've got these on the right side because your brackets won't fit properly when you put your lights on afterwards, and it's a bugger to have to take your grill and everything back off again. So once you've done all that, you can put your grill and bumper back on. Just keep those wires still sticking through the grill, through these holes here. And then we're just got to put those bolts back in the top. So put the big plastic cover back on with all your clips in. Just gets pushed down. And then put all the screws back in to the bumper and inner guard, and then push your flare back on. So once you've got your bumper back on, all the bolts done up underneath, your flare's on, it's all fully installed. Now we're going to adjust these brackets to suit your grill. So we just want to adjust this. Check the height's about right, it's level, the gaps on each side are about the same, gaps top and bottom are the same, and then we can tighten these bolts up. So using the extension and a 13mm socket, and then the top bolts, you just get to them with a spanner, tighten them up. Also a 13mm. Do the same on the other side. These are the brackets for the Pro Plus. We have different brackets for the different light options. Just check out the website to see what you need. All the light brackets will offset the lights to the outside of the car. It's easy to connect the cable before you install your light. A lot of the light options have 2 bolts on the outside and just 1 on the inside. That gives us some side-to-side adjustment. Once you've got those fasteners in, adjust your lights how you like them and tighten them all up. So if you ever wanted to change your light option, you just have to change the brackets, which makes the install a lot easier. So that's the BYD Shark inner grill kit. If you need any help, give us a yell. Check out the website for your light mounting options. And as always, follow us on the socials.